you want her to go and work a 9 to 5 and then come home and cook and clean and take care of the kids and do this, that, and the third.
Y'all crazy. The hell wrong with y'all?
So it's just like, it's a lot of craziness that's going on. I'm just like, listen, just stop.
Stop it.
Okay? Just stop.
Stop it.
Stop.
Stop it.
But you know what? There's hope.
There's still hope. Oh no.
Welcome
to the J&O Show,
where we talk about
things that we were never told. I'm Jay.
And I'm O.
And now you know. What up, guys? You saw how we held that laugh? We was about to crack up. We held that joker. We held that boy. We get professional on y'all now. We professional.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Listen, y'all, I'm going to try to struggle through this, okay? But I'm having some voice issues. So just bear with us, sister. Yeah. All right.
Y'all been on the phones all day. My baby been on the phones all day, putting in work.
But yeah, so this video is actually by Abba and Preach.
Yep.
Shout out to them. It's been a minute.
Y'all they hit 2 million subs.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations.
We've been rocking with y'all for a minute.
Yeah.
So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video. I don't know what the video is about. Jay likes surprising me. So we're going to jump right into it and see what we're talking about today.
Do you want to know one of the saddest realizations I recently had? Was that as a liberal woman, it is really hard to find a man who is willing to play the more traditional masculine role in the relationship in today's day and age, who is not a conservative. A man who wants to pay on the first date, who wants to...
Did she say that she was modern?
I don't remember if she said she was modern. You want to play it back? It was only 21 seconds.
Yeah. Sorry, y'all.
Play it back.
A few inches later.
Okay, as a liberal.
So, this is what I'm going to do to help you guys out and help my wife. I'm going to read the definition of liberal and the definition of conservative. All right. Okay. Liberal.
Bruh.
Willing to respect or accept behavior or opinions different from one's own. Open to new ideas. Relating to or denoting a political and social philosophy that promotes individual rights, civil liberties, democracy, and free enterprise. A supporter of policies that are socially progressive and promote social welfare. So that's what it is. Accepting views, opinions, and behavior. Able to respect or accept behavior or opinions different from your own. Open to new ideas. And then conservative. We have averse to change or innovation and holding traditional values. Holding traditional values. Holding traditional values.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
In a political context, favoring free enterprise, so they both favor free enterprise, private ownership, and socially traditional ideas.
So essentially they opposites.
Yes.
In a lot of ways.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
in a nutshell.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys knew that without the definition,
said
but we
that.
thought it'd be interesting to go ahead and read that.
Averse to change.
Sway, how?
How, Sway?
How you going to say as a liberal woman it's hard for you to find someone who's not conservative but have more traditional values? You think? But that is a conservative person. But to me, like that just like coming out your mouth, you didn't realize that didn't go together? It didn't curl all the way over? Because if you're liberal, meaning that, like they said, like you're an individual, your mindset is not necessarily like you're thinking that more individualistically, if that's even a word. And someone who is traditional, that's the opposite because they think more togetherness. They think family. They think two-parent household. There are certain things that come with being traditional. So I don't understand why you're confused about how you as a liberal woman, it's hard for you to find not a conservative man, but a man who has traditional values.
Yeah, so I remember looking through the Abba and Preach video and they said that there's a difference between traditional and conservative. And the real difference is that a conservative man holds traditional values. So it's traditional means specifically speaking about traditions itself. But a conservative man holds traditional values. So it's like, it's not exactly the same, but It's pretty much the same. And so I looked at
My
traditional,
eyes the same.
existing in or as a part of a tradition long established. So it's just one of those things where it's just like, is this the craziness of the dating market?
Yep.
This is the craziness of the dating market. This is what has happened with some of these ladies who talk. See, everybody ain't supposed to talk, y'all. Everybody not supposed to talk. Everybody is not supposed to come out here and speak. I'm happy she said it because there are a lot of liberal women who think just like her. They want you to pay on the first date. They want you to open the door for them. They want you to pull out their chair. They want you to do all of these very traditional things. They don't necessarily want to go 50-50. Yes, there are some who are like, nah, we 50-50. We going Dutch on the bill, so you don't feel, I don't want you to feel like I owe you nothing, which is also crazy. You feel like some girl owe you butt because you took her out to dinner, bruh. Go and take her for a coffee instead. It ain't that deep. But anyway, going back to what I was saying.
That part.
It's like nuts. It's literally like up is down is up, left is right.
And right is left.
And right is left. Like, this is the world that we live in right now, and the dating market is utterly insane. I feel so bad for every sane person that is looking at our videos, looking at the world around them and like, y'all crazy. The hell wrong with y'all?
But you know what? There's hope.
There's still hope. Oh no.
Because as crazy as some of the stuff is that we see, like, I don't know about you guys, but like in real life, in my real life, like people that I talk to and stuff like that on a day-to-day basis, that is not their mindset.
Okay.
People who are single that I know, that's
Right.
not necessarily their mindset.
Right.
A few, but not the majority. But I was gonna go back and say that the same can be said for some of these men out here.
Ain't that right? He ain't lying.
Yep.
Because she ain't the only one that's thinking crazy. Because there's guys that are just like, oh, I want a traditional woman. You want her to go and work a 9 to 5 and then come home and cook and clean and take care of the kids and do this, that, and the third. That ain't traditional, boo-boo. Traditional is you work, you go get the bacon, the wife stays at home and take care of the house and the kids. That is traditional.
That part.
So it's just like, it's a lot of craziness that's going on. I'm just like, can't listen. Just stop.
Stop it.
Okay? Just stop.
Stop it.
Stop.
Stop it.
And think about some of the things that you're saying. Be realistic.
I can sum it up. I can sum it up for you. You can come right back. I just got one thing to say.
Okay.
Need Jesus.
Listen.
Okay, go ahead. Wow.
You need him. I keep on telling y'all. Y'all need him. You need him.
Y'all need some version of God
Yes.
in your lives.
For real. To be able to help center and ground you and give you like a compass.
Yes.
Because people are just like circling the drain with no type of direction as to what's going on in life. I'm like, ooh.
I appreciate the fact that she put the video out because I'm pretty sure that when she did it, she was like,
Well,
but she
maybe
put it
not.
out anyway. It's okay to admit that the whatever mindset you're in, there's a dichotomy at work, that there's something off about what it is that you're believing and thinking. And you're saying, you know what? I can see the other side, that you guys have this point here. I don't want to fully give into that point because there's some things I really hate about it. You know, a lot of people who are vehemently against tradition, a lot of feminists, they exist because of the experience that they had in their homes. A lot of people who have walked away from God have walked away because of the experience they had in their homes. If you go and you shove things down people's throats,
Yes.
they a lot of times will rebel against it. And it doesn't matter if it's religion or if it's an idea or an ideology about anything specific. A lot of times they'll rebel against it. And then after they rebel against it, when they get older and they start to think back about how their lives are and the things that they wanted to be different, they'll go, oh, you know what? This thing that my mom and daddy said wasn't actually a bad idea. The way they did it was terrible. And that's what made me rebel. But I can see the benefits from this lifestyle. Like, that's okay. That's just a part of growing. So I do appreciate her for putting the video out. Yeah, I wanted to pick with her about it. I did. But that's all it was. I was just picking with her because you got to have people out here trying to figure stuff out. Like, we're coming into this thing. We didn't know nothing about this dating market when we first started this show. We trying to tell people about how to do marriage, and then we dropped a video or two about stuff and dating, and we started to get all of this information that was just like, yo, the dating market ain't like it was when you guys was doing it. Can we get to marriage? Everybody falling in love. Can we find, I mean, you know, like, can we even get there?
Yeah.
And we sort of started switching because we saw that the need
Was for people to get some hard truths.
yeah, people needed to get some
About
hard
certain
truths
things.
just to get to marriage.
Exactly.
I was just like, oh man. So that's sort of where we ended up pivoting to. Maybe you guys can let us know. Should we do more Oh, with the comment thing. My wife used to say hashtags, put hashtag next show.
Don't
For all
do
those of you.
Don't do it.
Just don't do it.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
So don't put any hashtags. Don't put no ats down there because the YouTube thing, they sort of, so a lot of you guys
They
who have
block
been,
our comments, y'all.
we didn't realize that a lot of y'all might have been commenting and we was getting blocked. We can't even see them.
Yeah, we
when you
haven't
put
seen
at and when you put hashtags for whatever reason. I don't know why. So to avoid that, just put it. If you want me to see a video, react to a video. If it's a dude out there that's doing something crazy and stupid, like 7 kids and 7 baby mamas, doing stupid stuff like that, I'm more than willing to react to people where guys are doing crazy, couples are going crazy, women are going crazy, pets and animals and babies and everybody. Everybody's going crazy. They could all get it. I just need y'all to help a brother out because y'all got different feeds.
Send
the
it
name.
in IG. Okay?
Oh yeah, you can send it in IG or email us.
Yeah, you can DM us. We're the J&O Show. You have to spell out the word "and" on Instagram because it don't allow you to use symbols.
Yeah,
it's also in the beginning of our intro. Kai, you'll see it there.
Yeah,
but yeah, you can follow us on Instagram if you're not already, and you can definitely DM us any ideas or any videos that you've seen that you want us to react to. Now, I will put this in there. Now, the goal for us is to help people get it together for relationships.
Yes.
So it needs to be relationship based
right.
in some sort. Because it's a whole lot of stuff that we can talk about, but our channel is trying to help people have better relationships ultimately, so we can have stronger families, so we can rebuild our communities.
Yes.
All right. So that's the caveat. It just needs to be relationship based, but definitely send it to us on IG. You can also, I'm gonna hesitate to say email just because I'm not in the email all the time.
Okay.
Just to be honest,
Fair.
our personal email, the J&O Show email, which is in the description as well. You guys can go there. If you have something maybe personal you want to share with us, but you don't necessarily want to put it on blast, you can send it there and we can, do a video response to it if you like, and just let us know whether or not you want to remain anonymous. You can definitely do that there. Also, y'all, we on TikTok now. Not really, but we're working on it. Okay? But you can follow us on there too. We're on TikTok, same thing, the J&O Show. Everything is the J&O Show with the and symbol, with the exception of IG. You have to spell out the word and. But yeah, I think that's going to be it.
Yeah, that's it.
For today's video. Comment down below and let us know what you guys think. Because at the end of the day, as you guys know, this channel, we're here to be able to build a community, or we're trying to build a community.
Right.
Okay,
so we are going to come back to this video. There were other things said later that are a little bit separated that we're going to get into. And for now, that's going to be it. I think we spent enough time on the video. So I'd love to know what you guys think. And that's about it.
That's it.
All right, y'all. Peace. Let me go let my wife rest her bark. You know what I'm saying? She gonna suck on some lemon or something like that. Yeah, all right now. Gonna get her some honey and stuff like that. I'll see y'all later. All right now. Video.
Oh, sidebar.
Bruh,
Wait.
I know exactly what she about to say.
Let me tell you something. This is why I love me some Abba and Preach. Okay. For the first time in forever, because I feel like I never see them on Instagram. I was on Instagram and a little short popped up on one of their videos. I don't remember what the premise of the conversation was, but Abba was just like, yo, Preach, so what do you think? Glass half full or half empty? And Preach was just like, yo, I got water. And I was like, yo, bars, okay? Because it's like, yo, myself included, we just get caught up in life. I feel that we don't take the time to stop and recognize our blessings, yo. There are so many people in this country alone. I ain't even talking about outside of this country, but a lot outside of this country. But in this country alone, it's so many people who go every day without. They don't know where the next meal is coming from. Look at what's going on in California with the homeless rate. Yo, I just want to say I am grateful and I thank God that we have a roof over our heads, that we have water.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yes, we may not necessarily have everything that we want in life, but man, be grateful and thank the Most High that you are here and that you are blessed. If you're watching this, you're blessed because you have internet, you have a computer or some type of mobile device or something like that you're able to do that. So that was bars for me, like for the rest of the year. Like, shout out to Preach for that, because I was just like, yo, that is so true. Like, you have water. Forget half empty, half full. Be grateful the fact that you actually got water in your glass. All right, so
be grateful to God.
Yes.
Duh.
Man, so I'm sorry, that had nothing to do with what we're talking about today.
It's all good.
But I just felt
She had a moment.
impelled, not
Compelled.
compelled
Okay.
to share that with you guys, because I think we always need to be reminded of that, of how blessed we are. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. I don't know what the video is about. Jay likes surprising me, so we're gonna jump right into it and see what we're talking about today.
Press the off button.